No, this is just beta testing. It's not ready yet. Oh, I'll tell you what. Come on, I'll show you it. As part of the larger Foundation project to improve FreeBSD on laptops and desktops, Alfonso Siciliano has been working on adding a desktop setup option to the standard installer. Now, this won't be coming along in the .0 release of 15, but if you're as impatient as I was earlier in the year to test out Wi-Fi before it was released, link coming up here, we can take a look at this desktop installer today. And hopefully you'll test it out and contribute some helpful feedback on the FreeBSD desktop mail list. I'll leave a link to that below. So let's go through standard install, then running Alfonso's desktop installer and see just how fast we can get from an empty laptop to a working graphical desktop environment with FreeBSD. To do the install, I'm using the DVD1 image because it's got quite a large set of packages on it. I've just DD'd it to this small SSD drive thingy. It's important to have a good cup of tea whilst doing an installation. Okay, we're going to install. I'm just going to go with the default key map for now. That's fine for what I want. I'm going to go with packages, the tech preview, which is the whole operating system using package. I'm going to go with offline limited packages because I've got that DVD1 ISO that I'm building from. ZFS root, of course. I'm not going to change any of these just for the purposes of installation. I'm going to leave these defaults. This is the nice bit of pulling the packages from the DVD ISO image that is this SSD. Really quick. Super secret root password. Configure Wi-Fi. Configure my time zone. Leave the default services. I'm going to leave all these as well. Installer detects the firmware that I need for Wi-Fi and graphics drivers. Okay, I'm going to add my user here because we'll want to reference it in a moment with the graphical desktop environment installer. And at this point, it says the installation is now finished. Before exiting the installer, would you like to open a shell in the new system to make any final modifications? We're going to choose yes. And this is where we're going to use Alfonso's desktop setup installer. Now, eventually this will be a part of that installer where we just were, and it will just be another step in that process. But for now, we need to go and fetch the installer. I'll leave this URL in the description below as well so you can copy and paste. And then we just run that script. I happen to know that this is an AMD GPU, so I just simply choose that, install. Now at the moment, this, because it's tech preview, it's pulling from the network rather than pulling off of that DVD ISO image. That's work in progress. So right now this installer is going to take a few minutes depending on the speed of your internet connectivity. So let's fast forward through this a little bit. Now, because this is developed as the idea being it's part of the installer, when the routine is finished, you simply add your user ID into the video group so that you can have desktop access, and then it drops you out to the prompt again. And everything is done at this point, so you can just simply reboot, and it should come back up to a nice desktop environment. So don't forget, this is on 15 beta 4. It's a tech preview, and we know that there are lots of choices for desktop environments, and this is just applying one. But this is a full environment. There's an awful lot of good stuff straight out of the box. And when I tested this all the way from 0 to actually having a desktop there that I could use, it took me less than 10 minutes. If you'd like to see us try a different desktop environment or window manager on FreeBSD, leave something in the comments below and we'll see if we can get to it. That's all for today, and we'll see you in the next one.